we have to design the transmitter using this sequence, that is for input sequence is 0, input bit is 0, there is no change in the phase in the phase. That is we have to compare the two phases, previous phase. So we have to compare the previous phase with the current bit, so we will have the next phase. ठीक है. So for that purpose we have to design the transmitter. ठीक है. So most easiest way is to design like BPSK. So we are now designing the transmitter. So for transmitter we will develop the logic, that is for phase 0 the modulating, अभी हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, modulating bit is 0. ठीक है, like BPSK. In the BPSK what is happen when the bit is 0, there is their phase is 0. ठीक है, for bit 0 now you can have the different value. ठीक है, in the first BPSK we have used for bit 1 phase is 0 and for bit 0 phase is pi. We can have alter logic. ठीक है, we can alter the logic. ठीक है, so we are considering that when phase is 0 bit is 0 modulating bit. ठीक है, ये DK क्या है आपकी, DK is the applied bit, DK is the modulating. It will actually used as a transmitter, as a modulator. ठीक है, this bit will be used at the input of modulator, not DK. DK will not use at the input of modulator. ठीक है, so we are applying the logic of BPSK. ठीक है, so for 0 phase is 0, for 0 phase is 0, for 1 phase is pi. ठीक है, for now we are applying the logic for 0 phase is 0 and for 1 phase is pi. ठीक है, so we can now we are reversing. for 0 phase के लिए bit 0, 0 phase के लिए bit 0, for pi phase bit is 1, for pi phase bit is 1 and so on. ठीक है, for pi phase bit is 1. ठीक है, so it is the applied sequence. Now what is the logic? The two sequences are compared, that is the transmitted sequence, that is the previously transmitted sequence BK-1 and applied sequence. Now what will be the previously transmitted sequence? 1 bit later. ठीक है, 1 bit later what is the sequence? ठीक है, so we will delay the sequence by 1 bit. ठीक है, so initially यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा, तो we have assumed that it is 0. ठीक है, तो apply 1 bit later it is 0 will be here. ठीक है, this 0 will be here, that is after 1 bit duration. This 1 will be here, this 1 will be here, this 1 will be here. ठीक है, this 0 will be here, this 1 will be here, this 1 will be here and so on. This 0 will be here and 1 आगे जाएगा, उसके आगे आना. ठीक है, now from this DK BK-1 and BK, we can say that BK is XORing of DK and BK-1. You can see 0 0 is 0, 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 1. ठीक है, it is realizing the truth table of XOR gate. ठीक है, so now we can have the it is the in the form of waveform. ये चीज waveform के फॉर्म में लिखी हुई. ठीक है, ये चीज जो है अपनी टेबल में देखिए, ये वेवफॉर्म में बना हुआ है. ठीक है, सो वी कैन से दैट फॉर 0 for DK and BK-1, when we XOR DK and BK-1 we will get the output BK. ठीक है, so it will be the table of XOR gate. ठीक है, 0 0 के लिए 0, 0 1 के लिए 1, 1 0 के लिए 1, for 1 1 it is 0. or you can use the signal in energy, in terms of energy. ठीक है, that is for minus EB it is minus EB, for minus EB plus EB it is plus EB and so on. EB for EB it is minus EB. ठीक है, so when the two values are same polarity, ठीक है, the polarity of the resulted sequence is negative. ठीक है, and when there is a difference in polarity of the inputs of XOR gate, ठीक है, then the polarity is positive. ठीक है, so अभी हमने assume किया यहाँ पे for 0 phase is 0 and for 1 phase is pi. ठीक है, so accordingly we are having the table. So just there is a difference, there is a addition of this XOR gate. ठीक है, XOR gate, we are just having the XOR addition of this XOR gate dt and b of t minus tb. ठीक है, if we are writing in terms of time. ठीक है, so 1 bit delayed signal, so we will use the delay circuit, so output will be feedback to the delay input and this output is applied to the XOR gate input, and remaining portion is similar to that of BPSK, that is balance modulator, and the inputs are this. So we will have the DPSK signal. Now from this circuit diagram we can say that when b of t and equals to